Hello traders, welcome back to Excel Argo Trading. Yes traders, time is 9:21 and date is 14th July 2025. Well traders, now I'm just showing you how to open. Everything is done, everything is open, though I just want to show you how it is open. Before opening our software, make sure you have to open your Alliance broking terminal. Only Alliance broking terminal. Our software will work through only Alliance broking terminal with the help of API. Okay, well traders, I'll just you have to double click on this main shortcut and this black background will open. I'll just tell everything. I'll just go zoom now, so please catch up properly. As well as our black screen is opened, it will ask for paper trade or live trade. So I'll set as a paper trade 2, and I set for paper trade 2 and I just confirm it. Here you can see confirm. Next, if you get confirmation, it'll ask for, I just put in for live trade, so it is asking for confirmation. Confirm, and later on it will ask for Telegram alerts. So I'll select the number 4, whether you want enable or disable this Telegram alerts. So I'll just select 4 and enter it. And next option is historical data configuration, whether you want historical data, yes or no. So I just set here also 4 and enter it. This is how you have to do manually every day. After doing this, our Excel sheet will open and everything goes automatically. Here already it is waiting for above and below levels. Now coming back to the dashboard, here you have to entry a weekly expiry and here a monthly expiry. Next, coming back to here, as a 3 months contract of July, August, September, you have to mention the 3 months expiry date of contracts Nifty and Banknifty. July monthly expiry, August monthly expiry, and September monthly expiry. After setting all this, you have to come back to the market watch. Make sure here start button is filled with, every cell is filled with start button, and set your quantities here. If you want change the if you want to change the strategy, you can change here. We have 4 strategies, you can see here. 4 strategies, strategy 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see the strategy's name also here. As though if you change the strategy also, you can just, I'll show you strategy 2 and enter. Even you can see everything is changed with full cell, full row is also changed. So I'll set 1 and okay, you can see, like if you change the strategy, everything will change. Buy level, sell level, targets, everything will be changed. So next, coming back to our dashboard, everything after setting everything here, come back to our dashboard, set today's date, that is 14th 7 2025. Set today's date and just turn on the live trade. After turn oning this, your work is finished. Everything goes automatically, no need to do again and again. So our live trade mode will start automatically. It will take buy and sell it. Okay, before that, one more I want to say you, this is our trading analysis sheet. You have to open your trading analysis sheet also. This is our trading analysis sheet. So traders, here what you have to do, here you have to just enable auto refresh. Every 5 seconds it will get refresh automatically, and even it will get a Telegram alerts too. Okay, so enable auto refresh, you have to enable this, and you have to set today here. This is, you have an option like today. If you set this today, this will get today's date. It will set automatically by today's date, and you have to set this too and just apply. Okay, apply here. Okay, make sure this you have to set here. It should be like current file name also should be there. After purchasing our software, will teach you how to use this. So our software cost of rupees 4,999 for lifetime plan, and for monthly it cost of rupees 999. Okay, well traders, will come back to our Excel sheet now. Still orders are not executed. Okay, fine, we'll wait it. And here traders, you have a time, instrument, direction, quantity, entry, exit type, like it is trailing stop loss, a target with the points. Even you can see the points, it is calculated by itself. There is no calculating in calculator again and again. So profit and loss and status, it will show like if the trade is exit entry, it is show entry, and if the trade is completed, it will show as complete. It is like buy and sell. Okay, traders, next will come back for summary. There is a total trade, today's total trade, and winning rate also. We are showing this winning rate, how many percent was today's winning rate, and total profit and loss today, and average profit and loss per trade. It will show average profit and loss per trade. Okay, this is how our software is look like, and after purchasing a software, I will teach you how to use this, so don't get confused. Once you get used to it, it is very easy. As traders, you can see one order is executed in Banknifty call option, and one more is waiting for above and below levels. Yes, one order is executed. We'll just see in our trade history. So we'll open our trade history here. You can see Banknifty call option, one is buy here. Okay, we'll open in our Alliance for Broking terminal. It is in order book. 2 orders are executed. One more order is executed in call option. Yes, we'll just open our first chart. So where was the entry? Entry was at 923. Okay, we'll open this. So entry was at 923. Just now order is executed, and you can see this. We'll just mark this as buy here. Okay, fine. So guys, here where our order executed exactly at 9:41, I think. I'll just show you here. Yes, exactly at 9:41 or Banknifty call option is executed, and one more at 9:41 or one order is executed, and 9:42 one more call option is executed, that is strike price 56,300, entry of 982. We'll mark that also. You can say after getting our buy level, market is going up. Okay, yes, one more order is executed in Banknifty. We'll just open that chart also, a chart, and mark our buy level. Where was our buy level? 982. Traders, this is today's session from here. So 982. Here our order was executed. Yes, you can see here our order is executed, and market is going up from our buy level. Yes, traders, it's working very well here, and only 2 orders are executed in Banknifty call option. One is 56,400 and one more is 56,300. Okay, we'll just see the chart of Banknifty. First chart will open it. I think it will get target. 1 second, traders. You can see market is going up from our buy level. So clearly it is showing this is where our buy level was executed at 941, and market is went zoomly up. Okay, once again, yes, traders, you can see Banknifty call option 56,300 is completed. One trade is completed. So entry of 982 and exit of 1034. with 52 points with profit of 3600 plus. Well traders, I'll just mark you and show 1034. Yes, this was a order, second order. You can see at 942 our sell trade, buy trade was activated, and 945 that is sell, that is same at the same time. So I'll just open this chart and show you where was our sell taken place. So 1034. Yes traders, you can see here this was our sell. So traders, you can see this is where our buy level was generated, and market is still going up, but I think it is target is hit. Yes, I said you now guys, target is hit here. You can see target is done, so it is squared off automatically. So this is how our software works. Buy level, sell level हो गया, target भी हो गया, and that is profit of rupees 3600 plus. You can see so clearly it is showing. So one trade is done, that is strike price 56,300. You can say this was our buy and this was our sell. So one more order is executed, that is Nifty call option 25,000, entry of 79, that is 179. So we'll entry that also. I'll just show you 2 to 3 trades, how our software works. Will not take too long. Entry of 179. Okay, so here was our entry. So this is our buy level, and we'll change the color too. So traders, this is our buy level in our Nifty. You can see, so once again, so you can see this cell where our buy level was generated at this cell. Okay, so traders, one more order is executed in Banknifty call option 56,500. We'll mark that. Okay, entry of 893. Our order book. Entry of 893. Exactly here. This was our buy level was generated in Banknifty call option 56,500. Okay, so we'll wait till the order is completed. You can see here one order is closed and 3 orders are waiting for trailing stop loss or target. Okay, something is going automatically. There is no need to do anything yourself in time of buying and selling. Even you can get a telegram alerts also. Just open this chart. Yes traders, you can see still it's going up from our buy level. Yes, we'll wait till it gets square off. Okay, this is how our software works, traders. Still 2 more orders, let it get squared off automatically, and later I'll just pause here. Okay, pause or stop. I just want to show you a live demo how our software will work. Okay, Yes, traders, you can see two orders are completed with Bank Nifty call option 54,400, which was executed 56,400, which was executed at 9:41 with the entry of 923. You can see this 923, exit of 954. 954, it is a trailing stop loss with the profit of rupees, how many points? 31 points. You can see 31 points with the profit of 2000 plus. Yes, traders, I have marked here. I'll show you. And where was one more is order is completed. I'll show you. Entry is done here, done in the chart. Now we have to see the exit of 954. So we'll mark exit of 954. So it expected that market will go still high, so it will got sell in trailing stop loss. You can see here where our order is executed, buy level, and here it is sell. Okay, this is how it happens automatically.